Hello guys, this is just a short video to correct some traders who have been trading it all wrong. But before we jump into the whole video, be sure to check out our free signals Telegram channel. The link is down below. So here we are going to talk about major mistakes of many traders using this trader as an example. It's actually a real account, and I've obtained the access to this account via the investor's password, and we are going to pinpoint some of the mistakes that this trader has been making. So I'm going to go over to his lot sizing, and here is where we can access. Today he actually made a profit of $12, and he withdrew $20, meaning that he actually withdrew some of the amount that he had attained before. So we are going to go on the last 3 months to see when this account was actually funded. As you can see that this account was funded on 7 February 2021 at 7:10, and it was funded with $35 only. That is what this trader funded, and we can actually see that from this $35 this trader is made $46.42. This profit was actually made using the VIP signals from Bunnex investment group, but that's not the case we are here for. The case we are here for is to discuss the mistakes that this trader has been making. So as we can see, these were his trades. From his first deposit of $35, he actually used a good lot size, which was 0.01 on his first trade, which was USD against Swiss franc, and he attained $1.99, as you can see, and then he followed with euro against dollar, and he attained $2, and these were, I'm sure, as you can see from the price of initiation, they look like they were from the same point. Then after that he went on to the next trade. These trades were actually shared on the VIP channel. He took order against the JPY, and he closed it at 57 cents and 6 cents. And then he took NZD card as well as Euro odd. After that he withdrew $20. This was third day after funding his account with $35. The following day he started with euro against dollar, where he attained 6 cents. Went on to GBP USD. I actually shared these trades, and he exited with 30 cents. Then until today, which is the 12th of February 2021, on Friday, where he has withdrew another $20. So in total he has withdrew $40, and his balance remaining is $41. So we are going to talk about a few mistakes that this trader is making, which may hinder him to achieve success in the long term. So the first thing that this trader is missing out is lot sizing. By lot sizing, I mean at some of his trades, as you can see, he started with the 0.01, which was okay for the balance that he had deposited, and then after that he started to increment his lot size. As you can see on euro against dollar, he had 4 trades at once, which was a bit riskier on his balance of $35. After that he had euphoria. By euphoria, I mean he now had confidence in the markets. He now felt like he is over the markets, although I gave him signals. uh, on the following day, you can see he started incrementing his lot size up to 0.04, and this was now his maximum lot size of 0.05. Yes, it was good to have 0.05 and have a big bet, actually attain a big lot, a big amount of money on that trade, but it was risky for the $35 balance that he had. Then, as you can see, his last trade that he closed on Friday, it's also a 0.05, which was riskier again. Then another thing that this trader was also missing out, as you can see on these trades, he was getting 20 pips, 20 pips, 20 pips, 20 pips. He was only getting a small amount of pips. That means he was not leaving these trades to flow properly. NZD card had a nice flow. GBP USD also had a nice flow in the signals chart. Euro USD had a nice flow as well, as well as USD CHF. They also had a nice flow. So he was exiting his trades prematurely, which is bad. Why? Because how are you going to cover up for the losses if you are not attaining big wins? Then another thing that this trader was also missing out, which is one of the biggest things that most traders succumb to, is rapid withdrawals. You deposited $35. Yes, of course, he doubled the account. That means in this week he attained 100% return on his investment of $35. But he did not leave that money to grow. As you can see, in this first week, he actually made 2 withdrawals. The first one on the 10th of February, and then the second one on the 12th of February, which were $12, $12 withdrawals. And this withdrawal balance was equivalent to $40. If he had left this amount, definitely he was going to be around $80+, which would reduce his risk. So for those who are watching this video, I advise to have proper lot sizing whenever you are following signals that I provide. I also advise you to remain patient until the trades fully mature. I also advise not to withdraw rapidly before your account attain a feasible balance. So basically that is what I had today. All these trades were shared in the Signals VIP Signals channel on Telegram, but you can check out the free Signals Telegram channel using the link in the description. So on that note, we come to the end of this video. This trader is smiling. He deposited $35 and he withdrew $40 and remained with $41. That was a gigantic gain over 1 week. Have a good time and have a good weekend. Till next time.